Hi, I am Pranto. In this video I am going to show you medical admission test minimum requirement and medical admission test marks distribution system. SSC and HSC equivalent exams score minimum GPA of 9.00 for all domestic and foreign student. If the GPA is less than 3.50 in any examination, you will not be appropriate to apply. For all HSC equivalent test should have minimum GPA 3.50 in biology.
Biology 30. Chemistry 25. Physics 20. English 15. General Knowledge History and Culture of Bangladesh 6. International Affair 410. Total mark 100. Total time 1 hour. Number cut for wrong answer 0.25. Pass mark 40.